So I don't know if you remember or not, a few months ago, Carbinox sponsored one of my videos for their Carbinox Edge smartwatch. And they were so gracious to sponsor another video, and it is about the Carbinox Blaze Type S and Type R. The S is for the square and the R is for the round, and we're going to look at those watches today and just see exactly how great they really are. The Carbinox series of watches, I am really impressed with. They're rugged, they're tough. You don't have to worry about breaking them, and they are just overall a really good and really great smartwatch. Carbinox's packaging is always done really well, and when you open the box, you are automatically greeted with the watch face. So once you get everything out of the box, you have the watch band, you have the charging puck, and then of course you have the watch face as well. You also have the instruction manual for your Blaze Type R, which is the one we are currently looking at. And once you get all of these out of the box, all you have to do is attach the band to the watch. You can charge it, and typically whenever you get your watch, it's automatically going to be charged anyway, but you have all of your pieces right here together, and there is your complete watch for the Blaze Type R. So here we have our fully assembled Type R watch. Again, this is the round version, but it is very customizable with different band types and watch faces that you can get as well from the store, and we'll look at those in just a little while. So here we have our Blaze Type R on the left and our Blaze Type S on the right. The Blaze Type S is not assembled. And as you can see, you get your band, you get your watch face, you get your charging port. Again, left-hand side, you have your Blaze Type R and the puck as well. And it charges really fast, holds a charge for a really long time. If you use the battery saving features by allowing it to turn off after a few seconds, the battery life on this watch is just absolutely amazing. But there's a band. Again, the bands are customizable. You can buy different bands for each of your watches. There's our watch face as well. That's just a sticker that comes on the front of the watch face. But again, the watch faces are customizable as well. You can download different watch faces from the App Store once you download the app onto your phone. And we'll show you how to do that in just a second. But it is simple, just like any other Carbinox watch. Just simply scan the QR code, download the app from either the iOS store or the Apple Store as well. Log in on the app. Once you get the app logged into, it automatically detects your watch by clicking Add Device. It will connect your watch to your phone, enable the options, allow access to your phone, contacts, and everything on your phone, and you'll be able to make calls from the watch. You'll be able to customize things on your watch, track heart rate. You can track your blood pressure as well. You can also track sporting, so if you're a runner, you can set it up to track all the steps that you take. So it's a really great watch for activities, and all sorts of options are available for you. So as I was saying, setup is really simple. You have a QR code that pops up on your phone. Grab your phone, grab your camera. You are going to screenshot that QR code, and then you're going to be able to download the app on your phone. You have to choose whether you have iOS or Android. If the screen pops up, I have a Android phone, so you're going to allow it to pair. So go ahead and open it up. There is the app. Go ahead and install the app just like you would any other app on your phone, tablet, whatever device you're going to be using this with. Install the app. Once you get it installed, just simply open it up. I had to move my watch over just a little bit right there. But yep, that way you can see it just a little bit better. You tap open. It's going to ask you to log in. If you don't have a login, you go ahead and create an account. That way you can go ahead and set up your device for your phone. But I already had an account and actually ended up in the spam, so I had to go back and get the email out of my spam. And it gives you a simple code just to be able to log into. And that is how easy it is to set up the app for the Carbinox Blaze watch. So once you get the app logged into, it's going to ask you in the next step to choose your permissions to be able to access the phone, what sort of permissions you want to allow your watch to have. So go through here, you're going to enable all the options. Basically, you need to make sure it's allowed to run in the background, because if you don't, it won't be able to access your contacts. You won't be able to access phone calls and your microphone, because you can use your watch to answer, wall phone calls through the Bluetooth option. So as you can see, I'm just basically enabling every single option for the Blaze watch. That way we'll be able to, like I said, just be able to access every single thing on your watch. So once you get the app set up and you accept all the permissions for your watch, you can go through here and set up pretty much everything, whether it comes from display time, how long you want your phone to screen to stay on while you're using it. You can extend battery life by allowing it to cut off after 5 seconds. I actually set mine for 60 seconds during this video. That way the watch face wouldn't go to sleep. You can change it again to download watch faces from the built-in store. You can change tracking, whether you want to track your blood pressure, whether you want to track your steps. You can also change whether you want to have Fahrenheit or Celsius, depending on where you are in the world. So this watch is just has so much customization options. If you don't like one watch face, find another, download it, and you can set this watch up any which way you want to. As you see, there's I want to apologize for the lack of clear video. Focus was not working too well, but again, just setting this watch up how you want to. You can find all the settings inside of the app. You can do it on your phone as well. You can do everything inside the watch or on whatever device you are using. And you can just open it up on your phone if you want to see what your heart rate currently is, what your blood pressure currently is. As long as it is on your arm correctly, the back of the watch will allow you to track things like blood pressure, steps, exercise. If you want to set up a sports routine, say you want to have it remind you, hey, I want to run a mile on such and such day. It'll allow you to set those options up as well. As you can see right here, we got the different watch faces that you can download, and basically just tap it and it will change the watch face for where you can sync it right here. But just a host of different options to allow you for customization, tracking for the watch, tracking for yourself, just so many things that this watch can do. And it's at a reasonable price as well. Honestly, this watch does so much. As you can see here, the controls, it is touchscreen. And even for me, not being able to use my fingers, this watch is extremely sensitive. I can scroll through, select whatever options I need to. I can go back to my phone, select options over there. So a host of different options, as I said, blood rate tracking, blood pressure tracking. It's got a barometric pressure it can track as well. Temperature, weather, all of those things on this watch. You can also, if you decide, hey, I want to get rid of the watch, you can reset it to factory settings. There's also an option there that allows you to control your watch, whether you want to cut it off, reset it, restart it, whatever you need to do. But again, customization is wonderful. As you can have, it's got kind of like the swirl up and down motion selected there. I'm selecting the different watch faces. If I want a different watch face than I've got, it downloads it directly to your phone from the app whenever it syncs. So again, just whatever you want to do with this watch. And I'll be honest with you, it is just for me personally, I actually like the round one better than the square one. But if you're out and about, if you're let's just say you're a contractor or whatever, and you're out on the field, a work area, and you're worried about your watch getting broke, his watch will not break. I mean, it is just that rugged and it is that sturdy. The Carbinox Edge watches that I have, they've been beat up quite a bit, just because, again, in a wheelchair, my arms are constantly banging up stuff. But these watches will survive just as well. Blaze watches, I'm actually really fond of the round version. The square version is really nice as well, but I think this is the round one is going to be my new favorite. I'm going to be switching from the Edge to the Blaze. So yeah, syncing the watches again with different faces. It only holds a certain amount of faces, so we'll ask you sometimes to delete, if you have too many faces on your watch. But again, just go back, use the app, delete it, and you can pick whatever watch face you want again. But again, great watch. As you can see, I actually changed the layout. I have the icons on there. So different layouts for each of, inside of the watch. You can change it from like a honeycomb style to that, just swiping up and down. You can make each one a little bit bigger or a little bit smaller. Just a host of options for your watch. So just want to give a huge thanks to Carbinox who once again sponsoring today's video. Again, if you're looking for a great rugged watch with a lot of features and a lot of options, the Carbinox Blaze Type S and Type R will fill that for you. But again, I'll leave a link down in the description if you want to check out their website. Again, this is not affiliate link, so I don't make anything off this, but they did sponsor today's video. And I will say this about the Carbinox Blaze. It's an amazing watch. It is great, rugged. It's not going to tear up. For me personally, like I said, even about the Edge, I'm not going to be able to tear it up, and I don't think you will be able to either because of just how rugged and durable these watches really are. So many customizations from band type, watch faces from inside the app, so much tracking available to you, whether it's, sporting events, you're running, whether it's, you're trying to set up a, program for yourself to be able to exercise. This watch can do it all without any issues whatsoever. Setup is extremely easy. Scan the QR code from your phone, download the app, install it, log in, add a device, automatically takes it, no issue whatsoever. And you'll have it up and running in just about, 10 minutes. Everything will be set to go. But making calls from your watch, tracking, just pretty much anything you need, this watch can take care of it for you. But anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you like these types of videos about smartwatches. I enjoy doing smartwatches. It is a lot of fun to see the different options that are available out there. But as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.